Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGOOD yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGOOD tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, recently I found out that my LiveGOOD sponsor just hit platinum rank. Now, if you don't know nothing about LiveGOOD or what the different rankings is, it goes bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and then diamond. And then they added another one, which is just like crazy, as the crown diamond. All right. But to hit, silver, gold, right, and to hit platinum is super dope. That is a great achievement. Actually, all the levels are really great achievements, but like hitting platinum, you're really doing something, right? All right. So how I found out my sponsor with platinum, he actually sent me a private message on Facebook, right? And he was like, yo, I see your team growing, right? Because your boy be putting in that work. But he noticed, he's like, yo, I see you growing your team. You know what I'm saying? Like, good job. You know what I mean? Keep it up. And he was naming the people that had joined underneath me. He was telling me their names and what they doing, right? And I'm like, oh damn, my team growing. All right, you know what I'm saying? I see you. You know what I mean? Kudos to me, right? So he was like, yo, just keep up the good work, blah blah blah, right? So I go into my back office and look, and I'm like, damn, my team is growing, right? Now, because my team is growing, that is actually helping him and his team and his earnings, right? So I'm like, this is super cool, right? So the next day I see in our Facebook group, everybody saying, congratulations to my sponsor, congratulations, he just hit platinum. And I'm like, I'll be damned. You know what I'm saying? My man just went platinum on him. All right. So I was like, yo, that's like super incredible. All right. So I messaged him as soon as I seen him at platinum. I was like, yo, bro, congratulations. I was like, but do you have any tips, you know what I'm saying, that I can give my team and my people for you hitting this status? Because this is dope, right? And I want to say too, I'm actually going to try to get him on my podcast that I'm going to be starting. So hopefully he will actually be able to, come on here and tell a little bit more of his story. So after I asked him for some tips, my man came back and sent me like some really, really good tips to be successful in LiveGOOD. And you actually could pretty much use these tips in any network marketing opportunity you involved with, but we talking about LiveGOOD. So he actually gave me these tips in like paragraphs, but I'm just gonna like summarize each one. All right. So the first tip that he gave me was focus on going bronze. All right. Now, to become bronze in LiveGOOD, all you need is 2 personal referrals. That's it. 2 personal referrals. But when you go bronze, it pretty much sets you up, right, to hit all these other, because once you go bronze, it pretty much sets you up for success in the company, because now you have 2 people underneath you, right? So now you have the opportunity to earn 50% matching bonuses from these 2 people. So out of those 2 people, even if one person, just explodes, right, and starts earning, $1,000 or $2,000 a month in LiveGOOD, you're going to be getting a 50% matching bonus. So just to be able to go bronze is like a great achievement. So he said, focus on becoming bronze. So he said, get 2 family members or 2 close friends that you think would do good in this opportunity and get them signed up, and then teach them, right, how to become bronze, because this is how the ball gets rolling. This is how that money starts accumulating, by starting with bronze. Now, the second tip that he gave me was learn the ranking system. All right. And just like I said earlier in this video, like, it's important to know like what are the rankings in LiveGOOD, right? Because each rank that you hit, it gives you the opportunity to make a lot more money than the previous rank, right? So starting off bronze, I mean, that's dope. That's good, right? If you can become bronze, that's good, right? But then the next rank is silver, right? And you need a certain amount of people to become silver, and then gold, right? And then platinum, then diamond, then crown diamond. He said, go back, learn these rankings, right? This way it can keep you motivated because you know what numbers you need to hit. You know how many personals you need to bring in to hit the next ranking, right? Because let me tell you something. The people on, gold, there are people at gold ranking, platinum, diamond, and crown diamond making over $10,000 a month in LiveGOOD, and LiveGOOD ain't even a year old yet. So he said, learn the rankings and teach your personals the ranking system as well. Now, a third tip that he told me, and I really think this is important, and he said you need to plug in and teach your affiliates how to plug in. So plugging in to me basically means stay involved, right? Get involved and stay involved. So whenever you join LiveGOOD, most likely your sponsor is going to introduce you to different Facebook groups, for LiveGOOD. Now there's probably 100 or over 100 different Facebook groups, for different LiveGOOD teams and all that. I have my own, I'm a part of my own, right? And be active, like go in there once a day or every other day and just see what people are talking about. Take a look at people's successes. Take a look at, what people are saying, different advice and strategies people talking about. Make it a point to watch the weekly recognition calls that's live on the LiveGOOD channel, all right? Because every week they give you updates on products and like I said, people's successes, and they actually give you training every Friday, right? So if you are an affiliate and you serious, you need to know what's going on in LiveGOOD. You know what I'm saying? You need to know, so somebody asks you questions, you can answer them, right? So it's very important to plug in however you feel comfortable, whether it's YouTube videos, Facebook groups, or whatever, or just talk to your sponsor, but you want to stay plugged in. A fourth tip that he gave me was get comfortable sharing your link. A lot of people, especially with network marketing, because, it used to have such a bad vibe about it. Ooh, network marketing, MLM, ooh, run. It ain't like that no more. The game is changing, all right? So he was saying, look, man, don't be afraid to post your link. You know what I'm saying? Don't be all shy and be like, oh, I don't want people to see what I'm involved in, what I'm promoting. Hell with that. You know what I'm saying? This is your opportunity. This is your business. This is your opportunity to get financial freedom, whether it be earning an extra $500 a month or $5,000, or you trying to get to $30,000, whatever it is. Be proud of it. So put that damn link out there. All right. Don't be afraid. Don't be embarrassed at all, because you got to look at it like this. This is a dope ass opportunity. The products are good. The compensation plan is dope, right? So if you put your link out there and people don't click on it, people don't want to join you, guess what? That's their loss. Now, the fifth tip that he gave me was look for opportunities. Now, I think mainly this would pretty much work on Facebook and things like that, because he said, he likes to look around, he see what people's posting, and anytime somebody's complaining about not having money or looking for a job, looking for a side hustle, or even people that's struggling with weight loss, they're looking for a new supplement, or they talking about protein and this and that. He looks for those types of conversations, and then he kind of just jump in, right? Give his 2 cents, and then ultimately recommends LiveGOOD. This is actually a really, really good tip, because a lot of people are always talking about making extra money or losing weight. The sixth and final tip that he gave me was do not worry about the no's. All right. He was like, look, people gonna say no, right? But you cannot let that stop you. Do not let that discourage you, because you have to look at the big picture. You have to understand this is a business opportunity. Think of it like this. There are people out there that don't like McDonald's, right? There are people out there that don't like McDonald's. You think McDonald's care, right? McDonald's still gonna run their commercials. They still gonna put out their ads. They're still gonna give out their coupons, right? They don't care, because they already know what they about. They already know, oh, we got the best, this, XYZ, whatever. And they're not worried about everybody, but they're still gonna put their business out there. And that's what you need to do. Them no's don't mean nothing. You have to keep going. I was actually really blown away by the tips that he gave me, because they are super helpful, and I'm going to be using these tips to help grow my Live Good business even more. Here's something that I gotta mention. About 4 months ago, my sponsor reached out to me and was just giving me some general tips and some guidance about Live Good. And one thing that he said in that message, he was like, hey, he was like, you know, I'm not platinum yet, whatever. He goes, but I'm already making over $3,000 with this opportunity. So the fact that now he is platinum, and that was 4 months ago, oh, he making well over $3,000 a month. If you're motivated like I'm motivated and you want to jump on our Live Good team, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.